Alrighty, I'm going to show you how to reassemble this Mul-T-Lock Junior Rimo cylinder. So I got the key pins and driver pins and springs all spread out and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and reassemble this. Let's go put my picks out the way here. Start off with the cylinder itself. I'm going to put the springs and drivers back in. I'm going to start off with number 3 from the front. Spring, driver, there we go. Number 2, put the spring in, I'll put the driver in the chamber, squeeze with the plug, and push it down, follow it forward, and repeat. Spring, grab the driver, push the spring down into the chamber, pinch the driver with the plug, press it down, move it forward. Cool. Might need to replace that spring, but seems to be fine anyways. Last one. All right, we'll leave that alone. Let's go and put our key pins back in. Start with number 1. We'll start with the outers, of course. That's a C. This is an A for number 2, and the rest are C's. All right, inner for number 1 is a, oops, drop that. Inner for number 1 is a, come on. That is a number 3. It's number 2. Now you can do this with the key inside the plug. Sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't. In this case, I'm not. Number 2 for chamber number 3. This is a number 3 pin for chamber number 4. And this should be number 4 for number 5. Just gonna put the key in real quick. Put my finger over the chambers here, or over the pins rather. Oops. Yep, everything. If you bring this close enough without it blurring out, because I can't. Come on. Over. Keep pushing the key in some more. Anyways, everything's flush here. So you want to make sure that's flush. We'll go ahead and slide the plug in. We'll slide it in at a 45-degree angle, something like that. It could be 90 on this particular cylinder if you want to, but I always do it at 45. Gently pull the key out. We're gonna put our cam back on there. I believe this is a Yale cam for, I guess, a Yale mortise. I don't know, I never see any other mortise out in the field except for Adams Wright and clones of Adams Wright, and maybe a Sargent actually, but that's it. Make sure those are tight on there. Bam. Make sure the key actually turns the plug. both directions. And we're good.